it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It is 101 degrees outside. When I say it's scorching hot here, it is scorching hot. But anyway, I'm headed to the investment property down to the flip house because it is supposedly done. So the real estate agent contacted me earlier and said, well, the real estate agent and contractor and everything, we all set up a meeting to go and look at it today. So I'm really excited to see it, but I'm hoping that it actually looks the way I envisioned. I know that they did decide to cut back on a few things, which I wasn't necessarily happy about, but it's not my budget, it's theirs. So it's a few changes that I know they decided not to make in the house that we initially went over when we first saw it. But all in all, if you guys saw the update that I did, you know that even with the paint and everything, it looked like a completely different house. So the one room that was a complete gut job was the the bathroom in the front of the house. Probably in this video, I don't know if I'm going to do like a flip house reveal. We'll just see. Once I look at the house and see exactly how much of a difference was made, I might hold your space, please. Okay, I might do a separate reveal video, but for the most part, right now I'm thinking I'm just gonna insert befores and afters in this video, and you guys can see what the house looks like now with the changes that they did decide to make. So I'm approaching, I should be there in about 15 minutes. Yeah, so the floors, everything should be completely done, exterior and all of that. I feel like even though a lot of the areas might not have been a complete drastic change, I still feel like this was a really, really great opportunity for me, and I'm just really thankful to have had the opportunity to even work on this. And I feel like it's just like the start of me being able to do these opportunities, since it was my first time, you know, working with someone who was trying to flip a space. And then maybe on my next opportunity we can do like a complete flip where you know, the investor really wants to take the money to put into like changing everything with, you know, the countertops, cabinets, like everything, because they plan to actually sell the house. You know, it's a difference when you're trying to rent it. This guy is just trying to rent it, so there are some things that he decided not to do, whereas somebody else who might decide to actually sell a house, one of the biggest values to me, I believe, is you know, the kitchen space and things like that, and what that looks like when you first like walk in and look at that. So like I said, it still was a great opportunity regardless to what all the changes were made. Overall, I think it still looks, from what I saw last time, it still looks completely different from before, and I'm just really excited to see what it looks like today. So we are about to head over here and see what the changes are and see what it looks like. Oh, this looks like a whole completely different room.
Huh?
I said this is like a completely different room.
Yeah. See, I put the fan up in here. See, that fan matches this stuff.
Yeah, the fan looks good.
Yeah.
Is that white or this color?
No, that's this color.
That's this.
This
Okay.
is this color. The others is
Right,
white.
the others is white. Okay. These floors are pretty.
It looks like it's the same, to be honest with you.
Yeah, it does almost look the same. There was a deeper color, but it still looks really good. You restained them.
Yeah, revarnished them. I said revarnished.
They look, yeah, really shiny and good. And this is a new fixture right here. That's the same one?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Okay. It just looks different, I guess, because the paint and the floor and everything.
Yeah, see, now it would look nice if I had all the junk off of here with the, with putting this up.
Oh, okay.
That's new.
That is new.
Yeah.
It's a new range.
It's a new range hood and top.
This part.
Yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't there last time.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
All the blinds are new in and out.
Okay.
I threw all the old ones away.
Good deal. Looks really good. Yeah.
Just need to clean it up over there. And
Okay.
all that. Here's the tile. So that goes in the seal again.
That looks really good. Oh, and you went all the way over here. We didn't even need that.
Coming down and going at the bottom and going up, I went to the top and come down.
Yeah, because we were going to try to cover up that big dent that thing they had. Okay, that looks really good.
The top of it. Like that.
Now this looks
I
different.
thought that looked better than doing it the other way. I mean, it looks new.
Yeah.
I cleaned it up and put it up.
Because this room was like yellow or some color. Somewhere else. Okay, so as you guys can see, I think this is pretty much all that I'm going to show you of this flip project. It didn't go exactly the way that I wanted it to go. As you all see, there were a lot of corners that were cut. Cost started being an issue, and so they decided not to do some of the things that I feel like would have really updated the space and made for a much better transformation. All in all, the front room and the bedrooms and everything turned out absolutely beautiful with the paint colors and the new flooring, so no complaints there. I just really wish that the investor would have taken a little bit more to put into the kitchen. Even if he had not changed out the cabinet color to at least replace that countertop, I really feel like that countertop needed to be gutted, and it did not even have to be a granite. We could have used a quartz or even a high-end laminate if he because it is a rental unit. So all in all, you know, it wasn't the transformation that I initially went in, and as you guys saw in the first video, I was saying let's do this, let's do that, and you know, because of cost, those things ended up getting cut. So this is pretty much everything that I'm going to show you guys. Ideally, you know, hopefully in the future I will actually get the opportunity to work on a flip project where there is a total flip, there is a good budget. It's going to be a home that's for resale, and we can actually do a lot of the things to the space that you really would do when you're really trying to sell it and make a huge profit off of it. But one thing that I don't think I told you guys was that this was a low income rental unit, so the investor just didn't want to put that much money into this property. He wanted to basically transform it and make it nice enough for someone to live in it and someone to rent. But as far as, you know, putting in that money where you get a real return on your investment, that's not something that he wanted to do right now. The main reason why I still wanted to show you guys this is because it's real life. Sometimes you go in for projects and they don't always turn out the way that you wanted to, especially when you have other people who are really pulling the strings on that. So this happens, you know, things happen. But overall, it was a great opportunity. It really has taught me a lot. I learned how to go in on future flip projects with a clarity and an understanding of budget and everything from the beginning. So all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely been a very big learning experience for me to carry forward. But thank you guys for coming along this process. I definitely did not want to leave you all hanging, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.